So, I got a few messages from this person who has an account called Deva Jyoti Dhole. So, basically, I started getting some comments on my video. If you go back and check, it's the one where the title is something something, I'm a hot mess, and something. So, here on YouTube, the fun part is that while everybody gets trolled and everybody gets so many hate comments, negative comments, I have never had any, and I've been especially lucky because I've had you guys supporting me, you guys loving me, and so many of you are from so many different parts in the world, and you all reached out to me. Many of you have actually sent me emails, and some of you, especially Peter from Sweden, I can now happily say that we are good friends on WhatsApp and we share tidbits from each other's world, part of the globe. And then there are others like the wonderfully sweetly mysterious stubborn horse and some other people too. So I've never really got any hate, but then suddenly I started getting messages on my hot mess video from a person called Deva Jyoti Dhole. I'm looking down because I've written it all down here. Okay, now normally I take all these things with a lot of fun, and you can see I'm still smiling because it's quite funny for me, a lot of fun for me when all these trolls appear and have nothing better to do, nothing worthwhile to add, but just waste their time. I usually, if anybody knows me, I usually always respond back with even more. I actually try to trouble them and pinch them back. Oh, you're trying to trouble me? Let me trouble you back. Let's trouble each other. Come on, that's fun. Because I don't get offended with all this, and truly I don't believe that if somebody's bothering you, you should be quiet, or you should stop doing what you're doing, or you should get bogged down. Nah. So I've always stood up for fighting the bullies. I've always been anti-bullying. I've always stood up for my friends and family when I've seen anybody bullying them. In fact, there have been many instances when I was younger when some family member may have tried to bully me or exploit me in some ways and tried to keep me quiet, but they really did not succeed. So I am that kind of a person. If you try to mess with me, I'm just gonna have a lot of fun messing back with you. So yeah, initially it was okay. This guy just called me something. Oh no, he said what? Oh, you overwhelm everybody with your rubbish talk, and you always blah blah, and you keep doing blah blah, and you should keep on blabbing. You have nothing to talk about really. You're useless. You're this. You're that. And then he went out to say that my face is right out from. I am from Nazi Germany, and he's very surprised why YouTube put up my face, or why YouTube would let me be on a channel up here and show my face, and that he's very upset that YouTube put my face specifically has a problem with my face, that YouTube put up my face on his YouTube recommendations and all that stuff. And then he says that my ideas are like kamikaze and that I am on a Baka mission. I don't know what's a Baka mission. I know about the Boko Haram mission, but Baka mission I'm not sure about. Okay, and this person also said that he is an employee of HAL. That's a good company. So if I really have to tell you, Devajyoti, that if you go and speak like this in your organization, I dare you, do it. Do it with a male, do it with a female, do it with anyone, and then see what happens. If you, unfortunately, I may not have been able to convince you how useless all this is. You can please come ahead and comment more and say all you want about me. What he also said things like, I am like politicians, the horrible ones, and I deserve only rotten tomatoes. People should actually throw rotten tomatoes at me. Devajyoti, I hope you get back all the rotten tomatoes and have fun. But you don't need rotten tomatoes. You've already got a lot of rotten stuff going on here. Good luck living with that. Anyways, so I see a lot of bullying happening around me, not with me, but with people. And while my mother has always taught me to, no, not respond. My mother's like, you know, if somebody's saying trash about you, or you know, being unfair or bullying, don't say anything. Just be quiet. Just ignore it. Let it be. It's okay. She's extremely simple. She believes in simple living. But I don't think that works. These days, I think the more polite and sweet and welcoming you are, people actually, the wrong kind of people, they mistake it for a weakness and they start bugging you. So I won't take much time here. I'll just say that if anybody is bullying you, I always used to say, remember that if anybody is bullying you, bully them back. And if you're seeing someone getting bullied, please stand up. Even if that person is scared, you stand up. You stand up against that bully. And whoever is starting a fight, make sure you try to end it. I usually never start a fight, but fight with me, then it's not going to be that good. Of course, I'm always open to criticism. I listen to criticism a lot and with a lot of open heart and mind, you know. So if you all know that YouTube is not something I do for money. I just sit here and do chit chat and talk, okay? That's why I think I've made such beautiful friends. Not that those who do it for money don't make beautiful friends, but I'm just saying I'm here for just that. So I'm very happy and good at my work that I actually do. So yeah, this person also said that I must be absolutely useless and I whatever. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy, and I'm just saying that you know, in real life, please stand up for those who get scared of bullies, and stop the trolling, stop the bullying. And yeah, for anybody else who has a problem with my face, I always mention in my videos that, you know, if my face or my voice annoys you, I can't do much about it. This is the face I was born with, and I'm very happy about it. I have a nice face, I think. I'm okay with it. Okay, so I'm not changing my face. Definitely not for you, Devajyoti. So if you have a problem, if you don't have a problem, you can be here. But all said and done, yeah. So I am reading a very interesting book now. I just finished reading yesterday Lani, which was an outstanding book. Lani is by the author Max Potter, and this was recommended right here by the mysteriously sweet stubborn horse. So thank you so much for that. And then I was watching the series Modern Love season 2, and in that there is a beautiful story. I think it's about a train somewhere in Ireland, something like that it's called. So in that, the female protagonist, she is seen reading the book while she's on the train. And I have this tendency that, you know, whenever somebody's reading something in real life or in movies, I always try to peek and see the name of the book. So I did that, and it was called Shamed. So I searched for the book Shamed. Actually, it's called Publicly Shamed. So You've Been Publicly Shamed. It's by Ron Johnson. I had never heard about this author or the book, but it's non-fiction, of course, and it's very, very, very good. So I'll tell you about that also. And if you guys get a chance, please do read Lani by Max Potter. Max Potter. It's very different, very interesting, very it's just very different. I will do a review on it very quickly, and I have to thank the sweetly stubborn horse once again for recommending the book to me. I just show you the cover of my notebook. See, she's beautiful, isn't she? So I am really sweating right now. I gotta go. I was cooking some chicken, so I gotta go and have some food. I don't want to have chickens with, I think I'll have a bowl of salad or something like that. Let's see. So thank you so much, my dear darling friends. Peter, you really need to start your own YouTube channel and show us all glimpses of your world. Right now, I'm the fortunate one who gets to see that, but you need to start your YouTube channel because you're so good at it. Stubborn horse, I think you promised me that you would start sharing videos on YouTube someday. I hope you're gonna do that soon. And to all of you lovely people who keep coming here and sit with me and chat with me, I am sending you so much love, so much love that, you know, even if you try to hug around that love, you won't be able to reach your arms. That much love I'm sending you. I'm sorry about this. That was a pimple. I was getting annoyed and I ruptured it. So yeah, I'm feeling really hot right now. I gotta go. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.